Yeah, we've looked around. We don't hear. We've only really heard them down here. I know, like it was last week they heard a squirrel, you know, in the upstairs. We haven't heard anything, you know, since this one. So I'm happy we were able to find any, you know, signs of squirrels coming in or out. You know, no holes chewed open or anything. It's mostly metal. It's kind of metal type of, and kind of a warehouse area in the back, which there's a lot of openings. A lot of we have a bunch of like bay doors, and they kind of stay open.
I'm trying to see your little face.
So, yeah, he could have come in a number of ways.
I'm trying to see